Hello, thank you for checking out A1 Math, and today we're looking at modeling an arithmetic sequence from a graph. So let's begin. So here it says to construct an explicit rule in function notation for the arithmetic sequence represented in the graph and use it to solve the problem. Okay, so we've got a graph and we've got a description of what we have here. It says the graph shows the height in inches of a stack of boxes on the table as the number of boxes in the stack increases. Find the height of the stack with 7 boxes. Okay, so as you can see, it only goes to 4. So we have to figure out down the road, or when you get to 7 boxes, how much is it going to be? So at 1 is 34, at 2 is 51, at 3 is 68, and at 4 is 85. Okay, so we've got a sequence going on here. And what we want to do is use the explicit rule. So I've got it already written out here. And we want to plug in the two things we need, the common difference and the first term. All right, so to get the common, the first term is the first term here. So at 1, what is it? It's 34. So I'm going to write out my function here. F of n is equal to f of 1, which will be 34. All right, and plus my common difference. So I get that by doing 51 minus 34. And when I do that, I get 17. And then to double check that, you do 68 minus 51, and you get 17. So my common difference is 17. And since it's going up, it's going to be positive. So then I write out the rest of my formula. And this is my explicit formula for this graph. Okay, now I'm going to answer the question. Since I'm going to 7 boxes, I'm going to plug in 7 for n. That's the number we're going here. So I'm going to have f of 7 is equal to 34 plus 17, and then 7 minus 1. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and solve it from here. That's going to give me 34 plus 17, and then 7 minus 1 is going to be 6. All right, now I'm going to do 17 times 6. That's going to get me 102. Okay, and now we'll have 34 plus 102, and that's going to get me a total of 136. All right. So in context, what does this mean? Well, when I get the 7 boxes, the height is going to be 136 inches. So the height of the height of the stack with 7 boxes is 136 inches. And that is modeling a arithmetic sequence from a graph. I want to thank you for checking out A1 Math. Have a nice day.